Hey everyone, welcome to Dublin, Ireland, a city where rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes come together in the most unforgettable way. In this video, we're taking you on a journey through 7 of the best places in Dublin, from iconic landmarks and lively streets to peaceful parks and breathtaking coastal views. Whether you're planning your next trip or simply love exploring beautiful destinations, these spots will show you why Dublin is one of Europe's most charming capitals. Seven, Malahide Beach and Marina. The Malahide Beach and Marina is a stunning coastal escape that perfectly captures the peaceful beauty of Dublin's seaside. Located along the calm waters of Dublin Bay, this scenic spot offers sweeping views of the shoreline, gentle sea breezes, and a relaxing atmosphere that feels far removed from the busy city center. The long, sandy beach and open coastal paths make it ideal for leisurely walks, quiet reflection. The marina adds a charming maritime touch, with colorful boats gently swaying in the harbor and reflections shimmering across the water. At sunrise and sunset, the sky often transforms into a canvas of soft pastels and golden hues, creating unforgettable moments of natural beauty. Whether you're enjoying a peaceful morning walk, a refreshing sea breeze, or a relaxing afternoon by the water, Malahide Beach and Marina offers a perfect blend of coastal charm and serene scenery. Its tranquil setting, fresh ocean air, and picturesque views make it one of the most beautiful seaside destinations in Dublin. Six, Temple Bar. The Temple Bar is one of Dublin's most vibrant and iconic districts, famous for its colorful streets, lively atmosphere, and rich cultural spirit. Nestled along the south bank of the River Liffey, this historic quarter is packed with traditional Irish pubs, live music venues, art galleries, and unique shops, making it one of the city's most energetic and photogenic areas. During the day, Temple Bar buzzes with street performers, local artists, and visitors exploring its cobbled lanes and cultural attractions. As evening falls, the district transforms into the heart of Dublin's nightlife, with traditional music spilling out of cozy pubs and crowds gathering to enjoy the city's famous hospitality. The blend of historic charm and modern energy creates an atmosphere that feels both authentic and exciting. With its vibrant colors, historic architecture, and lively street scenes, Temple Bar offers a true taste of Dublin's soul. Whether you're strolling through its narrow streets, enjoying Irish music, or capturing stunning photos, Temple Bar delivers an unforgettable urban experience full of life, culture, and character. 5. Howth Harbour. The Howth Harbour is one of Dublin's most picturesque coastal destinations, celebrated for its charming fishing village atmosphere and breathtaking seaside views. Nestled along the edge of Dublin Bay, the harbour is framed by colorful boats, historic piers, and rolling green hills, creating a scene that feels both peaceful and full of life. The gentle rhythm of the waves and the salty sea breeze add to the calming beauty of this beloved seaside retreat. The surrounding cliffs and coastal paths offer stunning panoramic views across the Irish Sea, making Howth Harbour a favorite spot for photographers and nature lovers. Seabirds glide overhead, while fishing boats return with fresh catches, bringing an authentic maritime charm to the harbor. Whether visited on a bright summer day or beneath dramatic cloudy skies, Howth Harbour never fails to impress. Its blend of natural beauty, lively harbor scenes, and timeless coastal atmosphere makes it a must-visit destination, capturing the true spirit of Dublin's seaside charm. 4. Phoenix Park. The Phoenix Park is one of the most beautiful and expansive green spaces in Europe, offering a peaceful escape in the heart of Dublin. Spanning over 1,750 acres, the park is a stunning blend of open meadows, tree-lined avenues, and scenic walking paths. Its vast landscape creates a sense of freedom and tranquility, making it a favorite spot for locals and visitors seeking fresh air and natural beauty. One of the park's most enchanting features is its herd of wild fallow deer, which roam freely across the grounds. Seeing these graceful animals against the backdrop of rolling grasslands and historic monuments adds a magical touch to the experience. Phoenix Park offers a refreshing contrast to the city's lively streets. Its natural charm, rich history, and open spaces make it a truly special destination, capturing the serene and timeless beauty of Dublin. 3. St. Patrick's Cathedral. The St. Patrick's Cathedral is one of Dublin's most iconic landmarks and a powerful symbol of Ireland's religious and cultural heritage. Founded in 1191, this magnificent Gothic cathedral stands on the site, where St. Patrick is believed to have baptized converts to Christianity, making it a place of deep historical and spiritual significance. Its soaring stone walls, elegant spire, and impressive stained glass windows create a striking presence in the heart of the city. Inside, the cathedral reveals a breathtaking interior filled with intricate details, beautifully carved woodwork, and memorials dedicated to notable figures from Irish history. One of its most famous connections is to Jonathan Swift, the author of Gulliver's Travels, who served as dean of the cathedral and is buried within its walls. Offers visitors a quiet escape from the busy streets outside. Surrounded by lush gardens and open green spaces, St. Patrick's Cathedral provides both a cultural and visual highlight of any visit to Dublin. Whether admired for its architecture, explored for its history, or enjoyed for its serene surroundings, the cathedral leaves a lasting impression as a timeless treasure of the city. 2. Malahide Castle. The Malahide Castle is one of Dublin's most enchanting landmarks, blending centuries of history with breathtaking natural beauty. This medieval castle feels like a step into a fairy tale, with its elegant towers, ivy-covered stone walls, and serene surroundings. The castle's setting alone makes it a captivating destination, offering peaceful walks, scenic views, and a deep sense of heritage. Inside, Malahide Castle reveals beautifully preserved rooms filled with antique furnishings, rich tapestries, and fascinating artifacts that tell the story of the Talbot family, who lived here for nearly 800 years. Each chamber reflects a different era, allowing visitors to journey through time while admiring the craftsmanship and detail. The grand halls, cozy chambers, and historic corridors create an atmosphere that is both majestic and intimate. Surrounding the castle, the stunning botanical gardens and expansive parklands provide endless opportunities for relaxation and exploration. Colorful flower displays, tranquil woodland paths, and open green fields create a perfect blend of nature and history. Whether exploring the castle interior or wandering through its scenic grounds, Malahide Castle offers a timeless experience and stands as one of the most beautiful and memorable attractions in Dublin. 1. National Gallery of Ireland. The National Gallery of Ireland is one of Dublin's most important cultural landmarks, offering a rich journey through Irish and European art. Located in the heart of the city near Merrion Square, the gallery houses an impressive collection that spans centuries, from medieval masterpieces to modern works. Its grand architecture and elegant exhibition spaces create a welcoming atmosphere for both art lovers and casual visitors. Inside, the gallery showcases world-renowned paintings by masters such as Caravaggio, Vermeer, Monet, and Picasso, alongside an outstanding collection of Irish art. The carefully curated exhibitions tell powerful stories of history, culture, and creativity, allowing visitors to experience the evolution of artistic expression across different eras. The calm, light-filled halls make it an inspiring place to explore and reflect. With free admission and ever-changing exhibitions, the National Gallery of Ireland is a must-visit destination in Dublin. Whether you are admiring iconic masterpieces, discovering Irish artistic heritage, or simply enjoying the peaceful surroundings, the gallery offers a memorable and enriching experience that beautifully captures the spirit of art and culture in Ireland. Thanks for exploring 7 of the best places in Dublin, Ireland with us. From historic landmarks and vibrant streets to peaceful parks and stunning coastal views, Dublin truly offers an unforgettable mix of culture, beauty, and adventure. If this video inspired your next trip, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss more amazing destinations. Let us know in the comments which place was your favorite and where you'd like us to travel next. Until then, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and we'll see you in the next journey.